Hello friends, so welcome back to my English course. So today we're going to talk about nouns of address. So what are nouns of address and how we use it in a sentence. So just follow me for a very short time, and first thing first, I would like to thank you and please help me subscribe to my YouTube channels and also my Facebook page and yes, thank you for your support and let's learn English together. Okay, so what are nouns of address? Noun of address is to identify the person or group being directly spoken to, and it is used to let the listeners or reader know who you are addressing or to get that person's attention. So this is called noun of address, and that is how we use noun of address in English. Okay, and punctuation, you have to pay attention to punctuation when we use noun of address in the sentence. Okay, and noun of address are found in the initial, okay, at the beginning of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence, or final position in a sentence. So that means you can use noun of address at the beginning of the sentence, or you can use it in the middle of the sentence, or you can use it at the end of the sentence. Okay, so no matter where position in the sentence, you can use noun of address as your wish. Okay. Okay, example, like say, so Paul, I need you to help me with the laundry. So Paul here is the noun of address, is the person that you talk to. You can say, Johnson, I need you to help me with the laundry. Okay. Jack, I need you to help me with the laundry. Okay. Sweetie, I need you to help me with the laundry. Darling, I need you to help me with the laundry. So whoever the person you talk to is the noun of address. And you can use here, or you can use at the end or in the middle, whatever you want, wherever you want to put it. Okay? This team is the video I was telling you about. So what you can see the difference here. When you use noun of address at the beginning of the sentence that we call the initial, we have to separate the sentence by comma. Okay? And when you use in the middle of the sentence, so noun of address is followed by the commas, and at the beginning is also by a comma. So it means you have to put noun of address in between the two comma. Okay, so this team is the video I was telling you about. Or you can say team. This is the video I was telling you about. Okay, this is the video I was telling you about, team. All right. So wherever you want to put. Thank you, Miss Chanda, for being here to support me. Okay. Thank you, Miss Jan, for being here to support me. So you can see here, okay, we separate we separate the noun of address between the two comma right here. Okay, please sit down, boys and girls. So boys and girls over here are also noun of address that we put at the end of the sentence, and we have to use comma before we put noun of address in the sentence. Okay, so please sit down, boys and girls. So boys and girls are noun of address. Miss Shanda is noun of address. Okay, one more. Can you go there with your mom, sweetie? You can see I put sweetie here at the end of the sentence. Sweetie here is a noun of address. Okay, and separate from the sentence by comma. Okay, can you go there with your mom, sweetie? Okay, please remain seated for the duration of the show. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated for the duration of the show. So ladies and gentlemen, here's a nouns of address that we put at the beginning of the sentence in the initial. So we have to use comma before we use we continue our sentence. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated for the duration of the show. All right. Okay, next one. Hey, guys in a red shirt. Okay, here's the person that we talk to get his or her attention, but here is his attention. Okay. Hey guy in the red shirt. Hey, guy in the blue shirt. Here's guy in the yellow shirt. Here's guy in the gray shirt. Okay, hey, guy in the gray shirt. Can you help me, please? Could you help me? Okay. It's so nice to meet you, Dr. Kim Sang. It's so nice to meet you here, Dr. Kim Sang. Okay. It's so nice to meet you here, Dr. John. Okay. It's so nice to meet you here, Mr. President. So over here we use guy in the red shirt in the middle of the sentence. Okay. And here we use Dr. Kim Sang at the end of the sentence. So it's very short, but you gotta be clear that in order to use noun of address, you gotta separate the noun of address from the rest of the sentence by comma. Okay, when we use at the beginning of the sentence, we use comma before we continue our sentence. When we use in the middle of the sentence, we have to put noun of address between two comma. Okay, and when we use at the end of a sentence, we gotta separate it by a comma before noun of address. So then you can use any person, any group of a person as noun of address when we are addressing them, him or her, or when we're talking to them or talking to him or her. Okay, or try to get his or her attention. That is the way we use noun of address in English grammar. So I hope you understand, and if you have any question, you can put a comment below my video, okay? And I can get back to you, or I can make another video in order to reply to all your questions. So yeah, that is it for noun of address. If you understand this, you know how to use it, okay? Doesn't matter you speak, you read, or you write, you can understand it. Okay, and again, thank you for subscribing to my channel and for following my page. And the next video, I will teach you how to use countable nouns in English. So what is countable noun and how we use it? Okay, so thank you and see you in the next video.